What's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing great. In the next few minutes, we'll do a quick price prediction and price analysis on Fantom, or FTM, that's the abbreviation or the ticker. So basically for two reasons. I mean, first of all, I think Fantom is a great project, but second of all, it has also kind of been staying like lagging behind with the recent bullish moves we've had. I mean, if you look at other cryptos, they had way more bullish moves the last few days, and Fantom actually seems to have found resistance at the 100 EMA. And I mean, I think the main reason for that is that Fantom, if you actually look at the daily, has still been quite bullish throughout these whole bearish 2.5 months. I mean, if you look at the 4th of December, that was the first bearish move. We're actually above that right now. So if you compare Fantom with the whole crypto market, it's actually very bullish over the, like, I guess you could say long term. So over the last 3 months, half a year. So I think that's the main reason, but still I do think that Fantom is lagging behind, and therefore that it will catch up with these bullish moves. So last analysis I did was something like this, that we would drop down from that key level, because that's a very strong key level, and that will also be my price target for this analysis. So before we get into it, quick disclaimer, this is not financial advice, it's just my opinion based on a technical analysis. But having said that, let's get right into it. So when I did the analysis, price was at around this level. Now we're looking quite bullish. But I actually thought that from now the most likely scenario, in my opinion, I mean, you should know that, the most likely scenario is that we go up to 2.25. 2.25, you got quite a strong resistance or key level right there, but also the 200 EMA. And the 200 EMA is very strong. I mean, if you look at it, almost every time the price has touched the EMA, there was a reaction. Here it didn't. But I'm telling you, almost every time, and the wick might go through, but most of the time the candles don't. Also right here, I mean, it's just quite strong. So I do think from there we'll find some resistance. We might also drop down from, I mean, first of all, let's start where we are right now. We might still drop down a little bit more to around 2.05, but I do think from either 2.05 or right now we'll go to that level. From there we'll probably find some resistance, as I said, probably drop down to at least 2.2, but I think it's more likely that we drop down to the regions of around 2.14, 2.13. And I do think that's enough to actually propel us all the way up to 2.45. As I said, 2.45 is my main price target. That's quite a short-term price target, relatively conservative. But still, I think you need to do that within these markets. I mean, Fantom is a great project, but the markets in general are still filled with quite a lot of fear. So I guess from the 2.45 we'll also drop down to 2.2, 2.15 again. So yeah, that's basically my analysis for now. I mean, in the case we break that 2.45, that would be great, obviously, but we'll probably move up to something like 2.7. That would be my price target after that. So that is possible, but I think the chances of that are very low, so I don't want to cover it too much. So what could also happen of this 200 EMA, kind of to explain myself further, what could also happen is that we consolidate a little bit on here. So if we consolidate for like a day and a half, in my opinion, it would still be valid. But just want you to know, just because this is, you know, quite a polluted area if you look at all the key levels and stuff. Also in the past. So yeah, that's basically my analysis on Fantom or FTM. If you do have any questions about the analysis, then please let me know down in the comments, and I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. But as for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.